Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Sendure ZenPods in a gorgeous blue metallic color. They even have active noise cancelling, environmental noise cancelling and transparency mode. But first, let's have a look at what we get. This shiny blue color is ZenPod's signature color and they look even better in real life. On the back we have some specifications, so I'll put it in the corner in case you want to read it. In the box we have a charging case, a USB Type-C cable for charging and some extra rubber buds in different sizes. Sendure sent me these earbuds for review before they made the manual, so it's not included in my box, but it will be included in the final product. I'm usually not a fan of shiny cases, but the metallic color looks very nice. It's almost got a mirror finish to it and it's got a premium look to it. Two things to note about this color is that it will attract fingerprints, and if you get any scratches they will be quite visible. On the back is a USB connector for charging, and inside is a 300 mAh battery that can charge the earphones 3 times, which gives us 24 hours of playtime. Here you have the two earphones, which have the same type of blue color on the stems. This sure is something for people who want unique looking earphones. If you prefer a different color, they are also available in white and black. In the middle is a little light that blinks while charging the case and will show steady light when it's fully charged. It will also light up while charging the earbuds, so you can see if they're ready or not. The earbuds are held in here by magnets and they will fall back into place without having to fiddle with them at all. Up here is some branding, so you'll not forget what brand you're using. ZenPods by Sendure. I really like the color combination they chose for the blue version. I don't know if you can see it, but the color changes from blue at the bottom and fades a bit over to a bluish purple at the top. Each earphone weighs only 4 grams, so I hardly notice the weight at all while wearing them. They're also quite compact, and the stem sticking down the side is quite short. Inside we have 40 mAh batteries that are informed to last up to 6 hours at medium volume. But in my tests I got about 6 hours even at quite high volume, with ANC switched on. So the battery here is very good. They also have 13mm drivers that give us a very nice sound, but more about that a bit later. For water resistance they are rated IPX5 and can easily handle some water splashes and sweating. The controls on these are based on touch, and it's the top part of the stem that's touch sensitive. On the inside of the stem we have the charging connectors, and the microphone is located under it. Regarding call quality, they do sound good. And here are a couple tests I made, so you can hear for yourself. This is a microphone test and I'm inside in a silent area, so you can hear what it sounds like without any background noise. Now I'm outside in an area with some traffic, so you can hear what it sounds like with some traffic noise in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you heard, they sound good in silent areas, but may struggle a bit in windy areas. Like I mentioned earlier, the earbuds snap into place easily, so there's no need to fiddle with them to get them back in here. Just opening the lid doesn't really do anything, so to pair them, we must first take them out of the case. When it pops up on the screen, just select it and we can start using them. And we can see the remaining battery on the screen. I also pair them with my laptop, and you can of course switch between them without unpairing the other device. As usual, I'll do a quick test to see how fast they will reconnect. And as you can see here, they're quite quick. For controlling music, we can single tap on either earbud to play and pause. To skip to the next song, we double tap on the right earphone. To go backwards or to the previous song, we double tap the left earphone. Holding a few seconds on the right earphone, we'll cycle through the ANC mode, transparency mode and normal mode. When doing this, there's a voice confirming if ANC is on or off. Holding the left earphone for a few seconds will open the assistant. Regarding latency, they do a good job in videos, and there's no noticeable delay in apps like YouTube and Netflix. I also tested them in games, and even though I got used to having a bit of delay, I personally find it to be a bit too much for fast gaming. But then again, these earbuds are made for music and not really for games. Comfort is very important when wearing earbuds for long periods, and Sendure did an excellent job here. They're so light and comfortable that I hardly notice wearing them. They're also quite compact, so they don't stick much out of the ears. The active noise cancelling works well, as it blocks out a lot of crowd noise and other noise from the surroundings. I can of course hear some of the noise, but it works quite well. One thing to note is that you must use both earphones for ANC to work. If you use only one of them, it's not going to work at all. Transparency mode can be activated when needed by turning on the microphone and playing the sound through the speaker. Both ANC and transparency mode works well without having any impact on the sound quality while playing music. The music will sound just as good with these functions switched on or off. The most important is of course the sound quality, and the SendPods are very good. The highs and mids sound very good, and they're crisp and clear, even at loud volume with a lot of bass. They're spacious with a good dynamic range, and separation between instruments and vocals is good. If you like bass, you'll not be disappointed because it sounds very nice. It's punchy and firm when it needs to be, and they have the low, powerful rumbling bass that I love. I can't really call the sound warm or cold because I feel the mids and highs fall in the neutral area. So the overall sound is a bit neutral with rich bass. Anyway, the sound is very good, and I could easily see myself using the SendPods on a daily basis. To summarize, the Send Your SendPods have very good sound, very good battery life, good ANC and transparency mode. They're comfortable to wear, and they look amazing in the blue color. If you're interested in these earphones, check out the link in the description below the video. And that's it for my review. Please comment, subscribe and click the bell below the video for more. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.